This is Leidy Lake area over near Colin, Michigan. We're in our second. Ooh, there. Look at that. Oh boy, there it is. That's on the ground. Stay. Look at that. Holy cow, that is it. Coming down. This is Leidy. Oops, I can see debris in there. It's Leidy Lake Campground, Colin, Michigan here. And boy, is that coming in. Look at that. Oh crap, that's coming right over here towards me too. Oh hell. Yep, that is coming right over here. Holy. Had to move quick. Get bigger. Some material in the air now. These trees. Over the road, it's gonna get those silos. Oh my Lord. It is just sucking in the air from everywhere. Holy. Man, we're going over the wood. Holy hell, look at the power of that. Oh my God, it spurted into 3 of them. Wow. Sheesh. Okay, look at this. This is the rest of the area. Calm, sunny, and then holy hell. And it just went away. Nope. Touchdown again. Oh, there goes good. Wow, that's a little tiny boulder. Man, the wind just really picked up. Holy cow, look at that debris. Man, I'm sorry, my camera's so crappy. Look at that. Wow. Look at that hail. Oh, it's on the ground again. Look at the hail. Oh my God, that's like baseball sized. Oh, it's back on the ground. Oh, big hail. Look at it all. Keep going, don't hit me. Oh! Look at that hail. Oh, it's still going though. The tornado's still there. All right, press the sky. Holy cow, look at these hail. Quarter size, and that is still going on over there. Oh, it's pulling more air in. See the clouds.